How to share to profile only on Instagram. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you basic steps for you to share into your profile only on your Instagram account. Now take note that it may not be available for everyone, but you can go ahead and try. So first is open up your Instagram application and make sure that you logged in. Now head straight into the create option, which is going to be the plus. This is where you can upload maybe a photo, a carousel, or reels. Follow on-screen prompts by hitting on next once you have done editing your post. Hit on next once again. And this is going to be all the settings that you can adjust. So if you scroll down from here, you should be able to see these options here that says also share on. Now, if you would only like to share this post into your profile, make sure that all three options here are going to be disabled. So the one that I talked about earlier is the option there. The option is share only to profile, below also share on option. Now, if it is not visible on your end, you just need to update your Instagram account or your Instagram application by heading into Google Play Store and tapping on update. And that's it. That's how you share to profile only on Instagram.